The weather across Europe right now is quite grey. It's quite dull, and some might even say it's quite sad. And that's perhaps reflective of the Eurozone economy, with GDP growth expected to be at less than 1% for 2024. We're seeing continued sluggish consumer spending, high interest rates in many countries, and difficult profit margins for several companies. Industrial production is significantly down between 2023 and 2024, and the stock markets reflect this. The Eurozone stock market is doing okay, with 5% returns across the Stoxx 600, but this compares to 24% growth across the S&P 500. And risk aversion is a silent killer. It's a drag on growth, it's a limiter of opportunity, and in a volatile world, it actually increases your risk. The European Union is at a crossroads, with political, economic, and global competition all applying pressures to European businesses. And in this environment, playing it safe is not an option. Cutting, downsizing, and retreating from the market are the wrong decisions that businesses might be considering right now. The Siemens CFO said it excellently, and he said, "You can't shrink your way to greatness." Siemens itself is spending millions of dollars at the moment on retraining, on restructuring, and setting themselves up for growth in 2025. And if you want to set yourself and your company up for growth in 2025, you're going to need to strategically and deliberately embrace risk. Leaning into uncertainty with the right risk advisors is the way to set yourself up for success. So you have a choice right now. Are you going to shrink back, or are you going to rise above the current volatility?